Okay, guys, welcome back. Straight into Omikami here now on 23.30 market cap million and 935k liquidity, 11k holders, 91 in volume. Right, so this is on the 4 hour. So let's look right into this here. So on this drop here, yeah, on this drop we've come down. I'll just show this for you. It touched this magnet line and actually went past it down here, and my markers there, my yellow markers there, that was the lowest point I had. No magnet lines around, but that was the last one, this yellow one at 2362, so we could take that out. And at the moment, the momentum, we are going up. Let's just take it to the 2 hour, yeah, the 2 hour, and see what's happening. So the 2 hour, we're going nice and easy up here, nice and easy upwards here in this upwards trend. Remember this orange squiggly line? I said the other day we could be heading back up this way, or if not, we could be heading back down. But look at this, guys. That was on the 28th of February, the last day of February, and as we hit March now, we are starting to come back up here nice and easy. So yeah, I projected to go up here. I'll just make this small for you. So it's still projected to go up here, guys, and I've got a marker here, the 3rd or 4th of March. So hopefully we'll continue with this line here. I've got a crossing up here. I'm going to make it even smaller. This is the main trend line we're looking for here, this yellow line here. I had my meeting point up here, if you remember, the 3rd of March. So unless it goes parabolic like that, we will continue to sort of like drag it out. I will continue the squiggly line just to show you here. So you know, we could keep going like this to this point where it meets that blue trend line here. We could go over that and gradually come back down. Yeah, try again and come back down. Remember, there's always two versions of this. Let's just move this along here and I can show you. So that would be around, so this one here is the line we're looking at. That is the main thick yellow trend line that we're watching. So here we could actually even from here go up here and then bounce back off and then even maybe break out. Who knows, guys? It's only March yet. It's still a little early for me. I want to continue this one because I'm thinking we could still come down again. Remember in my previous videos I said we've got a lot more magnet lines right down the bottom here. Let's put this on the 4 hour because otherwise it was going to take all day. Yeah, so down here it's in between these lines anyway. That's the main thick yellow trend line here, and I've got a red one and I've got another white one here. But look, there's this orange trend line that we can follow here, like so. So we could be coming down here yet again later on, and to hit these ones, because remember there's still more down here. So what we want to do, we'll just put another circle here. So all these points they could hit. I'm not saying they're going to hit, but they could hit, and we want to watch out for those because once it reaches that top, let's just do it blue. Once it's reaching this top area over here, as I said, it can go either way. It can start to break out or it can still come back down. Remember, look, if I just squeeze this up for you, always do that. If I just squeeze this up for you, look at my points here that I made some time ago. There's a point here around the 14th of April. There's a point here, 4th of April. There's a point here, end of March. That's quite drastic, that line here. that pink trend line going down here. This is the middle one. This looks quite safe to me, or that between that yellow one, sorry, and the red and the white here. That could come down from there also. But yeah, as I was saying, all these green lines here, these green magnet lines they are called. They do have to be hit. In my eyes, they do have to be hit. You can do your own chart analysis, but I have, as I said, been studying this, and we've got a cross section down here, the 19th of June. Who knows if it's going to go till then? But all we have to remember for it to break out is right past this yellow thick trend line to retest, and then we know it's going to do that God candle. So for at the moment, guys, let's just go back down to the 2 hour just to show you here what we're doing actually today and this weekend. We are down here now. Hopefully you guys listened to me when I said we were going to go up, and it's a good time to go in. You only missed this little dip here because it went down even further. It was around here. I think I said it was going to go up, but actually staircase down. Only what was that? Let's have a look. Only what did it do from here? I said it was going to start to go back up, and it staircased down to there. All right, 11.45%. It's not much, and now it's going back up. So your quid's in anyway, even if you got in up here when I told you to, and it's dropped back down. Yeah, you're still quid in because it's going back up. I had so many things I was looking at. I kind of missed the bottom here, and I've only bought back in today. I bought another bag in today here. This morning sometime. So I got another bag of Omikami there. I'm kind of a bit behind on Ryujin actually, because I wanted them to be level, like have a level kind of bags. But I've been kind of obsessed with Omikami like the rest of you. So I think I've got plenty Omikami now, and I do really have to diverse my bag at least a little bit to get some Ryujin. I have got I think only one bag of Ryujin actually, so I need at least a couple more before the pump and before that God candle becomes clear in Ryujin and Omikami. Okay, so we can do a little mapping out. I mean, as I said here, the squiggly line. But if we want to do the actual trend line from that bottom here, we'll just go over here and we'll take it from, let's see here, the bottom here. We could be going to do this, but you know, if it sticks to the plan, if it sticks to this, we could see it just going up on a straight line. But you know, there's a lot of jutes out there, so I'm sure some people are going to sell off when they made a bit. So it's going to go not quite like that, more, you know, squiggly. That's my line, but that's just another line to follow up around till what have we got? Yeah, next week. So hopefully we'll see what happens with Omikami, and it continues along this white trend line here. And I hope you all can hear me because I had so much stress with the mic. You know, my laptop's ancient. I got a new mic and been testing it out. So I hope the levels, I did check it before I got on here. So excuse me. I hope the levels are all right. So yeah, so as I said, we're on 2486 on Omikami, and if you hold, you're holding, and if you're buying, you're buying. We're going up for the moment, and it looks all good in Omikami here. So let's look at Ryujin now. Let's just take a look at Ryujin here, and see what's happening here on Ryujin. So on Ryujin now, 6.62 million and 462 liquidity, 949k holders and 57k in volume. Right, so that's the top, yeah. We're on the 2 hour. That's that blue trend line. That's the top. So we've been coming down. So we've come down, hit that green magnet line, 6600. So we'll take that out. We don't need that no more. It probably needs to come to get over this. I've got a marker here. See, that's the second to the 3rd of March. Yeah, so that is Sunday night. You know, as I said to you before, the Asian markets open at that time. So that's where it even can go up or down. So for at the moment, I will do the mapping that I think is what it's going to do. So it could go like this. Someone's just sold off there. Don't worry about that. Could go off like this. Yeah, up like this. Up like this. Now, we all want it to go over. We all want it to go over, retest, and whoop, straight up. Yeah, but we'll just have to play it by ear and see how it goes, because you know we can do exactly the same thing. Come up here, get to this, come back, try again, and actually come back down. So always two clear different pathways for Ryujin here. So yeah, we'll just follow that. On the trend line issue, we can just see from that bottom here, it could even go up to there. See, that's the 3rd of March. You see, look at that. Look at that, guys. That was the 3rd of March, 00. That's the midnight 3rd of March. That's where it's making a decision to come down, or to come down and retest, or to come down and go back down. So we will definitely be keeping an eye on this. I should have bought more Ryujin down here. I'm not going to buy here because, well, all right, if it goes up and it bounces up and that golden candle comes, all right, I've missed it. I mean, I told you one bag of Ryujin, but that's not enough really, is it? So I do want to get more, and I've got like an 80% chance in my eyes that it's going to actually bounce back off and go back down. But who knows? As I said, who knows? If you're holding Ryujin, that's great. If you want to get in and you're going to hold for the long term, it's always good to get in here because it can go back up. It can also go back down, guys. Remember that. Let's see on the downwards issue. Let's see where it could go. Is there anything else happening down here? And how far are we from the actual meeting point? I'm going to take you to the 4 hour because it will take too long on the 2 hour. So here, yeah, just yet again, look down here. 2841, first magnet line, bottom magnet line, 1823. Okay, so we are on 6.62 million, yeah? That line was, remember, at midnight. If it goes up, I just don't, you know, I'm going to tell you something. I don't think we're going to bump out yet. Do I think we're going to bump out? I just got to see the bigger picture of here. Let's just squeeze this up. Okay, that's 2. Yeah. No, I'm gonna stick with my words that I said to you before, guys. We got that one last dump for Omikami and Ryujin. It'll come down. I suspect it's gonna come down. That's in my opinion, not financial advice, guys, but I suspect we're gonna continue that and come back down here to these lower levels to hit that magnet line and to hit that magnet line the end of March, before we go up in April. That is my prediction, guys. I'm going to stick with it. Yeah, we can see what's going to happen as the month and as the weeks progress. But so what I am doing, not telling you to do this, yeah, but what I am doing, I am going to wait to get to some more Ryujin. Hopefully for me, not for you. If you're in this already, obviously you want it to go up. But for me, I think I'm going to wait for it to come back down here. And when I can see it come back down here, I'm going to load up big time here. I will just do this little marker. So from here, so anywhere around here is going to be quite a big circle. But anywhere around there, yeah, I'm going to load up. So that will give me roughly, or give us, if you're going to do the same thing, yeah, not telling you to do it, but that's the whole month. That's the whole month to save up some money, guys, or to get some money from other meme coins that I've pumped. Because, oh yeah, also someone asked me about how do I know it's not a bear market. All I know, right, all I know, that is the meme coins that we've been looking at here on this channel, yeah, I'll go through a few of them and what I've bought. They're at the ones that are even below a million market cap, yeah. They have just reached the bottom now, or they've just gone past the last magnet line of their charts, yeah. So the only way is up for them. If they're at the bottom, there's nowhere else to go here but up, yeah. They can start accumulating now, and then go up. And they're less than a million, yeah, and they're at the bottom now. This is on 6 million, guys. How can it go up now? Can it go up now? Maybe. All right, it can, but I don't think it can go up yet. If those, very low market cap coins have reached the bottom. So I don't think this has reached the bottom yet, and that's why I think we've got another month to go to fill up your bags if you want to. The same with Omikami. Omikami, look, is on 25, 24 mil. How can that go up now when these ones haven't gone up? I keep saying anything can happen, so don't rely on what I say. But me personally, I still think it's too early for these two coins to go up yet. So that's going to give us, and whoever has enough spare change or is going to get paid this month, can put in some more of their hard-earned cash to get some more Ryujin and Omikami. So that is my play for these two coins. Okay, so this morning, yeah, it's a Saturday, and I went shopping for meme coins. And what did I buy? I'll tell you what I bought, and then I'll tell you why I bought them as well. I'll just go through. I bought a couple. Yeah. So remember, I was talking about that buyer. Oh well, let's start with the XRP, because yeah, I think a few people on this channel were asking about this. So the XRP Harry Potter, that is Harry Potter Obama, not that Cabal one. This is the meme one. This is the one we want. If you look at this, and it's 100% liquidity locked, yeah. So if you look at this, yeah, that was my drawing here a few weeks ago. It's hit this trend line here. As I said, it will come down. It's come down. We're going to even go. Let me just look at this. It's come down, and it's taken out even that. So it's taken out that last magnet line, that second last magnet line. It's taken out that one also. Can leave that in, can put that out, all right, take it out. So it's working its way back up. It seems to me working its way back up, even if it does go down. And I don't think it's going to go down here now. It's going to start accumulating, if anything. So we can leave that line in just to show where the last bottom trend line was, magnet line was. So it should be now, for all those interested, that is going to go up, start accumulating along this line, and then when it's ready, there we go, straight up. So I did buy a bag of Harry Potter XRP. All those interested, look, it's up plus 10.58%. If you want to get in, we're still under that last magnet line bottom. So you're okay, guys. You're okay to get in if you want to. Not telling you to get in, but if you want to. Okay, the next one we bought, and congrats to those who bought that as well. Next one we bought, remember? Oh, the Hannah. The Hannah. I kind of missed the. As I said, there's so many meme coins I've got, and I'm looking at, and I don't want to miss any. There's only so much money I've got also, so we just put a little bag in each. Here it is, this Hannah. So that was my 2 lines here, and you can see that bottom. That was the last bottom magnet line here. It's gone straight past that, and it's starting to work its way back up. So yeah, I did buy this morning, and yeah, I'm in this one now, and yeah, it's up to you if you want to get in. I'm just doing this as I go along. So that's another one for me. That's Hannah. If you're interested, just look into it before you buy and do your research. So that's Hannah. We're in that one also. Another one, the bio. I can never pronounce it. The bio. Let's have a look, and I'll show you, because there's 2 of them. Yeah, the bio. Anyway, there's a white bio with the white face, and there's a bio with a red background. Yeah, so I bought that bio, the white one, previously. That was before the bottom, I think, just before the bottom. This one, the red one, I bought today, and another bag that was, so another new bag. So yeah, look, it's come down, look. So we can take out that magnet line here. This was at the bottom? I think it was. Yep, that was the bottom, and it's gone past the bottom, and now it starts to work its way back up. Obviously, it can do this, it can do that, come back down, but because it's gone past the bottom, I'm thinking it could do that, bounce off, accumulate a bit, then go back up, then shoot back up. Yeah, it's gone past the bottom. So that's it's called Bio King or Bio. I don't even know how to say it, but anyway, we're in this one, and look, it's already up 17.76%. Do your research if you want to get into that one. That's Bio King. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, right, one more I think I bought. I might buy some tonight, because I've got to do my shopping now, and I've got no food in the house, and I've got to help my mum buy some food. But yeah, anyway, this one, Bizoji. I don't know if I talked about this one. I saw this one years ago, and it's just something that if it gets to the it's a previous high, it's very high, 204 market cap. Sorry, excuse me. 138 liquidity, 31k holders. It's been around for some time, a good few years. But look, so yeah, that was the main trend line. It's come down, as you can see. There's no more way to it. It can go down, but I've seen it past this, right? So for me, yeah, it can go down even a bit more, but I think it's going to work its way back up, come back up here. That is that bottom magnet line, accumulate a bit, and then off we go to the races. So that's another one I got into. Yeah, have a look at that one if you want. Not telling you to get in. It's a very slow one, that one. I mean, we're on still minus 3%. So down to you if you want to get into that one. Remember, on these coins, I'm not putting a lot of money here. I'm just putting what I've got left, because I still need to buy some more Ryujin, so I'm not spending all my money. Yeah, that was it, I think, for now, until maybe later on, because as I said, I had a quick look, and I can't spend all day inside and doing this when I've got plenty of things to do, like you guys as well. So yeah, we'll look at. I'll just show you that treat before I go. Yeah, because I didn't buy anything else anyway. That treat, remember, it's kind of paired with Omikami, and it's to do with ship. So I told you to look into that one. Well, I know the liquidity is crap, but remember, it's yeah, it's one of those coins that's got a lot of offshoots on it. So it's on 412 market cap and 1.8k liquidity, 3.6k holders. So the original map here, the mapping, yeah. Sorry, I'll just show you the big picture because I know you guys want to see what's happened from the start. It's come from here, 5440. It's dropped down, dropped down. That was the last magnet line I had here, right? And it's at first I thought I said, yeah, on that dip here, I said I thought it won't go back up, but actually it went up, and I thought, yeah, we were safe and it's going to shoot up, but it did come back down. I just was starting that downward trend early and to come back up here. So it's actually come back down there just a bit later on. Now it's coming back up. Yeah. Now it's coming back up here. So hopefully on this one, we can go up here. Yeah. Bounce back off that and maybe start working our way up. So I will take that one off because that was a previous and it's still below the threshold here. So this is the white. I'm going to make it green because green is for go, but green is for the money. So yeah, so we're looking to go up here from now on. So you could get in. Remember the two sides, it could do that and come back and do that and then eventually go up. But I think, as I said, if it's past the last should do this, if it's past the last magnet line here down at the bottom, I think very well we could start to be going up on a lot of these coins that we're looking at here on Handsome Boss. Okay guys, that's it for now. Yeah, I hope to see you real soon. Don't know if I come back tomorrow, but the next few days we're going to still we can find some bargain basement coins, and the ones we're looking at already, hopefully they're nearly the bottom now. So I think from tomorrow night, the 3rd, 4th and 5th, from the start of next week probably, we'll see the rest of the coins bottoming out. And if you want to buy some more, I'll just show you the ones that I'm buying and I'm interested in. If you're looking to get into some and you're not too sure what to do, or you want a chart review on it, I can do it for you. So just hit me up in the comments, and also tell me if this is loud enough, this mic. I will boost it up once I put it out. So yeah, louder the better, as they say. So yeah, on that note, like, subscribe, and I'll see you real soon. Peace.